Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 11. Yeoboseyo, which means hello in Korean. But take note that Yeoboseyo is used to say hello when answering the phone. So this is not used to say hello in real life situations, but only while using the phone. How do we write Yeoboseyo in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. The first syllable yo is written by drawing first and no sound iyang followed by the yo character. The second syllable bo is written by drawing first a beep character followed by an o character. The third syllable se is written by drawing first a siyot character followed by an e character. And the last syllable yo is written by drawing first a no sound iyang followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the Hangul of the word Yeoboseyo. So that's 4 syllables, Yeoboseyo. So this is just a plain comparison of the ways of saying hello in Korean. So we have Annyeong, Annyeong Haseyo, Annyeong Hasimnikka, which are used in person, while Yeoboseyo is used when you're answering the phone. And with that, you've just learned Yeoboseyo. Now let's proceed to our word recap. Word number 1 is Annyeong Haseyo, which means hello. This is used in a polite or casual manner. Word or phrase number 2 is Annyeong Hasimnikka, and this is used to say hello in a formal manner. Word number 3 is Gamsahamnida. This is used to say thank you in a formal manner. Word number 4 is Joesonghamnida, which means I'm sorry in a formal manner. Word number 5 is Jeogiyo, which means excuse me, and this is used to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is Jamsimanyo. This is used to say just a second or just for a while, and this is also used to pass through a crowd. Word number 7 is Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. This is used to say goodbye, and this is used when you are staying and the other people are leaving. Word number 8 is Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. This is also used to say goodbye, but this is used when you're leaving first and the other people are staying. Word number 9 is Gomawo. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Word number 10 is Annyeong. This is a short, informal greeting used to say hello or goodbye. And don't forget our word for today, Yeoboseyo. This is used to say hello when answering the phone. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to study about 반갑습니다. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.